What are some withdrawal symptoms that people feel when they start or they attempt to quit, let's say, and how uncomfortable are they? Can you describe that for us, Doctor?
Sure. Well, Marianne knows better, but
yes.
I'll try, and then she can straighten me out.
I was going to ask her to chime in right after you. You give me the professional answer, and then I want her to give her the personal.
Yeah, so it varies. It varies. I mean, it varies from just being a little ratty for a few days and annoying your family, to being a complete insane person and out of control and dangerous to yourself almost. I mean, it's a withdrawal, and withdrawals can be powerful. I mean, the average person is just uncomfortable and has cravings and eats too much and is irritable. That's the average, but there's a huge spectrum.
Marianne, could you describe to us, to help us envision your withdrawal?
As you mentioned, the discomfort and the craving, and you just know there's only one thing that's going to satisfy it, and that's to smoke. So for me, all the cookies in the world, all the food, that's not going to replace it. Very uncomfortable cravings.